Welcome to Project Pro Code Recipes. In this video, we are going to learn on how to create, edit and delete a file in Python. So this is my code snippet over here. I have copied this code and I have pasted that in my Jupyter notebook. I'll explain to you the code over here as well as run this for you. So first, let me clear my kernel. Now, so files are just simple text files that you can create in Python. Basically, suppose you write a code and you want that code to be saved at some place. So basically you can save those code in text file, and when you want to run that code again, you don't need to write that code again. You just need to read that file by just using a for loop statement or a while statement, and it can run that for you. File handling is a very important thing that you do in Python and is very necessary for future use. So now let's get started with codes. So these are my two general print statements. I've imported warnings in order to ignore unnecessary warnings. So import OS. Basically you need to import OS. Now with open, so file.txt. So basically there are many modes in which you open a file. One can be you can also go for W. Okay, then you can go for R, you can go for A. I'll explain to you what everything means. So first of all, file.txt, this means with try to open my file.txt. If I would have given W, that W means to write in a file, then if that file has not been created, it would have simply given me an message that this file is not available. But when I write xt, this means first try to open a file, but if it doesn't exist, create a new file under the name file.txt. So I'm reading my as f. Basically you need an alias, so you write as f. Now f.write. So f.write is the function that you write in order to write in that file. So basically when you do anything in the file, you need to specify a file name dot, and with that you need to write the command what you want to do. Now write and append, both does the same thing. Basically write also writes in your file, and when you write f.append, it also writes in your file, but there is a basic difference and you should be very careful when you use them. So basically when you open a file as W, it overwrites your file. Anything that is written in your file completely goes off. But when you write A, it just appends your file. It keeps what is already present in your file, and it just appends new lines that you write. Now R means read only mode. So using this method, you can only read your data. You cannot do any manipulations in your file. So with file.txt rt, okay, f. So one more thing, you need to open your file and you also need to close your file. So f.close is the statement that you use in order to close the file. So over here I am again opening a file.txt. Now rt means writing in a file. So as f, sorry, rt means reading a file. Data is equal to f.read. So f.read has been read in data. Now I am closing it under the name f.close. After that, print data. Okay, so you remember I wrote a file f.write. This is a new file, so these must have been written in the file. So now this statement, that is from this with loop over here to this print data, will give me what is the content of the file. For example, let me change it by 1 2 3. Now after saving the file, if you want to delete the file, this is the statement os.remove, and you just need to pass the file name, so file.txt. First let me, so you can see this is a new file 123 just created. Now os.remove will remove the file. Now if I go and check that in my directory, it is not available as I have removed the file. Okay, this was all about codes in this video. For more industry relevant project, you can visit our website, and for more code recipes like this, you can go to our YouTube channel as well as our website. You can also get your customized code by using the click here function over here, and the URL for the code of in this video is available in the description below. Thank you.